Are you ready to join the revolution? Cryptocurrency is on the rise, and experts predict that it could potentially replace traditional forms of currency in just 2 years. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn more about the future of money and how you can get ahead of the game. Watch our video now to discover the potential for crypto to replace traditional forms of currency in 2023 and take action now. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our informational videos. A report by Futurism highlights some of the possible outcomes should cryptocurrency surpass fiat currencies at some point in the future. One important consideration is that cryptocurrencies cannot be manipulated quite as easily as fiat currencies, largely due to their decentralized and unregulated status. Beyond that, cryptocurrencies could better support the concept of a universal basic income than fiat currencies would. Some programs have already experimented with the use of cryptocurrencies as means of distributing a universal basic income. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies could help to get rid of intermediaries in everyday transactions. This could cut costs for businesses and help out consumers. Cryptocurrency, also known as digital or virtual currency, has been gaining popularity in recent years as a new form of money. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of different types of crypto coins and tokens. The potential for crypto to replace traditional forms of currency in 2023 is a topic of much debate. While some experts believe that cryptocurrency is the future of money and will eventually replace traditional forms of currency, others are more skeptical. In this article, we'll explore the potential for crypto to replace traditional forms of currency in 2023 and the factors that may influence its adoption. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional forms of currency, which are controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrency is not controlled by any central authority. This means that it's more resistant to inflation, censorship, and other forms of government intervention. Additionally, the use of blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger system that records all transactions, makes cryptocurrency more secure and transparent than traditional forms of currency. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is its ability to facilitate cross-border transactions. Traditional forms of currency are often subject to exchange rate fluctuations and high transaction fees when used in international transactions. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, can be easily transferred anywhere in the world with minimal transaction fees. This makes it an attractive option for businesses and individuals who conduct international transactions on a regular basis. Despite these advantages, there are also several challenges that may impede the adoption of cryptocurrency as a replacement for traditional forms of currency. One of the main challenges is the lack of widespread acceptance and understanding of cryptocurrency. Many businesses and individuals are still not familiar with how to use cryptocurrency and are hesitant to adopt it. Additionally, governments and financial institutions have not yet fully embraced the use of cryptocurrency, and regulatory challenges may still need to be addressed before they can be widely adopted. Another challenge is the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. The value of most cryptocurrencies is highly volatile, which can make it difficult for businesses and individuals to use them as a reliable form of currency. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market can make it a risky investment, and many people are hesitant to put their money into something that's not backed by a government or financial institution. Despite these challenges, there are several factors that may influence the adoption of cryptocurrency as a replacement for traditional forms of currency in 2023. One of the main factors is the increasing awareness and acceptance of cryptocurrency. As more people learn about the benefits of cryptocurrency and how to use it, it is likely that more businesses and individuals will start to accept it as a form of payment. Additionally, as governments and financial institutions start to embrace the use of cryptocurrency, it may become more widely accepted and regulated. Another factor is the growing use of cryptocurrency in e-commerce and online transactions. As more businesses start to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, it will become more convenient for consumers to use it. Additionally, the use of cryptocurrency in online transactions may make it more secure and transparent, which can increase consumer trust in it. The growth of stablecoin, which is a type of cryptocurrency that's pegged to the value of a traditional currency or commodity, can also make crypto more stable and reliable to use as a form of currency. It will reduce the volatility of crypto and increase its adoption. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency, its ability to facilitate cross-border transactions, and the increasing awareness and acceptance of it may all contribute to its eventual replacement of traditional forms of currency. If the cryptocurrency were to replace traditional forms of currency, it would likely have a significant impact on the global economy and financial system. One of the most significant effects would be the decentralization of the financial system. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized ledger known as the blockchain, which allows for direct peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. This could potentially lead to a more democratic financial system, where individuals have more control over their own money and are less dependent on governments and financial institutions. Another potential effect of cryptocurrency replacing traditional forms of currency is increased efficiency in the global economy. Cryptocurrency transactions can be faster and cheaper than traditional forms of currency, as they aren't subject to the same fees and regulations. This could potentially lead to increased efficiency in cross-border transactions and make it easier for businesses and individuals to conduct transactions globally. Additionally, the use of cryptocurrency could potentially lead to greater financial inclusion, particularly in developing countries where access to traditional financial services is limited. Cryptocurrency can be easily accessible to people around the world, including those who are unbanked or underbanked, and doesn't require a bank account or credit history to use. Cryptocurrency also has the potential to increase transparency in the financial system. All transactions on a blockchain ledger are recorded and publicly available, which makes it more transparent than traditional forms of currency. This could potentially lead to a more transparent financial system, where it's easier to track and prevent fraudulent activities. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the potential for crypto to replace traditional forms of currency in 2023. The future of money is changing, and it's important to stay informed about this rapidly evolving industry. The adoption of cryptocurrency has been growing, and as we've seen, it has its own advantages. But it's still in the early stage, and there are challenges that need to be addressed before it can be widely adopted. If you want to stay ahead of the game and learn more about how you can benefit from the rise of cryptocurrency, we ask you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.